Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. Hey, there's some helpful information. May save you some money, some time, and some grief. So, we just stepped into the old parts shipping room. We've got a whole bunch of client stuff laid out on the table. Over here we've got a Dana 44 closed knuckle. Down here, we have 1, 2, 3. Down there at the end of the table, 4 Dana 80 setups getting ready to leave. Right there, we're the only ones that do that. This is the rear disc brake kit for those mid-80 Ram Chargers that have the very unique 5 on 5.5 bolt pattern. And we're the only ones in the world that do that. Right there we have a set of super rare NOS E-body rotors. These are the real expensive ones, only used on 70, 71, 72. Here we have our A-body converter rotors going to the 4.5-inch pattern. And there we have a D200 setup, complete with his power unit getting ready to leave. So, yeah. Now, like I said, this is just the old parts. This ain't got anything to do with the hubs and stuff. So, we got to get most of this out of here today. Thank God I'm not a shipping clerk anymore. Thank God for Jay. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.